Yeah, the exterior inspection part of the comprehensive home assessment is really designed to look for any evidence of moisture or structural problems that might be existing on the outside of the house. Such things as rotting fascia, chimney condition, whether the chimney's pointed properly or whether the chimney meets the standards in terms of its design. It also looks at the siding of the house, it looks at the windows. It's really looking for evidence of potential problems, and it's also a way for the assessor to start to evaluate what might be done in terms of the work on the house itself. And finally, it looks at the landscaping issues that might have an impact on the house, the grade of the land behind the house, how the drainage takes place, and even such issues as gutters, downspouts, etc. The interior inspection that occurs during comprehensive home assessment involves a walkthrough really into every room in the house to look for potential issues that might be related to structural problems or moisture problems. The auditor or assessor will look at the mechanical ventilation, the bathroom fans, the kitchen fans, look at the insulation levels in the attic, look at the insulation levels in the basement, look at the heating and water heating systems, and actually even evaluate the insulation potential for things like sidewalls, crawl spaces, etc.